Hello, today we have the Bissell Fabric Cleaner, which is designed to quickly clean stains on sofas, carpets, curtains, and more. Okay, now let's unbox it and take a look. The package comes with a brush head that is suitable for different cleaning scenarios. Additionally, you can also purchase different types of brush heads separately. This is the accompanied cleaning solution. When using it, pour a certain amount into the clean water tank to dilute it. After installing the standard brush head onto the machine, you need to spray water first to dampen the surface of the carpet, sofa, or other cleaning areas with hot water. Then use the brush to scrub, simultaneously suctioning the dirty water into the dirty water tank. Afterwards, simply let the cleaned area air dry naturally. This attachment is for cleaning crevices. It can be attached to the hose and automatically sprays water to clean the inside of the hose. Isn't this practical cleaning tool intriguing to you? If you want to know more information, welcome to comment and send private messages. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.